guys, this is Tia,
Ava, and Dan.
and we're gonna do a really fast squishy collection thingy.
Video.
And so yeah,
Let's start.
hope you like it. So the first squishy we have is this donut here. Ooh, it's pretty squishy. We'll do Tia, Ava, and Adele. Your turn.
Oh, and then here's this really kawaii, super cute face. And I'm just gonna squish it for you. It's super cute. At first when I saw it, I thought it was a bagel, but it's a donut. Super cute, and then that's it.
And next we have this cake roll piece of bread. Yeah, it's that.
Then I have this curler donut with chocolate drizzle and sprinkles.
And then I have this biscuit. It's like lightly faded pink in the back. I'm gonna squish it for you
And a
guys.
kissy face.
Kissy face. You guys can't see that. That is super squishy. Sorry about the glare.
Next we have this piece of bread with a dogfish, I guess.
Then I have this pig face with a bitten thing. It's like a cookie, and it has texture on the back.
And then we have this blush bun with a really cute face and pink cheeks. So this one is super soft and squishy. Is the back. Back is super soft.
Whoa. Next we have this really creepy piece of bread. Yeah, it's really creepy, but it's really squishy at the same time.
Oh my gosh, that is.
Now we have this chocolate piece of cake with like the toppings.
And then we have this super cute face. The eyes here.
Capybaras on
Capybaras on pancake. And then this is super squishy. This is the back. The back is like lightly toasted.
Next we have this donut with a bite mark, and there's blue frosting with pink drizzle with white sprinkles.
Why isn't mine working?
Pretty slow rising.
Next squishy I have is this mini pen bun that's like pink on the back and the front, and this one's pretty dense, so but still kind of slow rising.
And then next we have this cake roll, a green moldy cake roll.
Huh?
So this is how squishy this is. I'm just gonna squish it. And this is the last one. Oh wait, it has a face. Oh, and dinner.
That was the last one.
No, there's more. Do
Okay.
yours.
I put it here.
Oh, do mine?
No, do this one right here.
Did we just do this one?
No,
I
no.
did this.
You do.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, then you did. Okay, now I have this cake roll with pink cake roll with chocolate and sprinkles and whipped cream.
Next we have this.
Last one.
The last one. There's some macaron cake roll with a little confused face on it. I mean, macaroon. How do you call it? And then this is pretty surprising, just a little bit of dense, but it's still super cute.
And so that is all for this video. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe, like, and comment to this video. Bye.